Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. I am very pleased to have you all on my channel AutoCAD's tutorial. This is gonna be my first video guys on this channel. Do love and support it. So now let us start without any further delay. First we are going to learn how to change workplace in AutoCAD. To open new drawing, AutoCAD tab, new file, drawing, select template, or you can also start just by selecting template and open. There is also one best way to do it. Just click on AutoCAD tab, new, drawing, go to open. In it we have imperial and metric system. We can choose imperial system or metric system. In imperial system, length is measured in inch, foot or yard, and in metric system, length measured in millimeter, centimeter and meter. So if you want to work in metric or if you wish to work in imperial, just click on it, after which your file will get open. Now if you want to open existing file, to open existing drawing, click open, browse your files and open. If you want to save your file, follow this command, Ctrl+S, or just click on save. You can save your file by giving it a name. Let PQRS, and click save. Next we will see how to change workspace in AutoCAD. To start with, select workspace. It will then get open. And then click on drafting and annotation. If you want to work in 2D, then select drafting and annotation. If you want to work in 3D basic, then select 3D basic or 3D modeling. Now when I click on 3D basic, the workspace gets changed into 3D. And in the same way, if you select drafting and annotation, it changes to 2D. So this is how we change the workspace. All 2D commands you will get here by selecting drafting and annotation.